I'm going to show you two different ways that we can get the FootballBrain data into StatKey. First, I'll show you how to do this when we first open the data in Minitab Express, because that's similar to what you did last week. And then I'll also show you how you could do this using Excel. One thing to note about this question is that we are comparing the football no concuss to the football concuss groups. When we open up the data set, we'll see that there's also a control group in there that we'll need to get rid of. Otherwise, StatKey won't run this as the difference in two means. So we'll start by opening up the data set. This is the FootballBrain data set. You can see we have all of these different file options. I'll start by showing you how you could do this in Minitab Express. So that would be an MTW file. The variables that we want are in the first two columns, group and hip. So I will select both of those and copy. Back here, I will open StatKey. This is a randomization test for the difference in two means. To enter this data, I'll click Edit Data. I'll select everything that's there and delete it, and then paste in my data set. Again, we want the football concuss and the football no concuss. The control group we are not concerned with right now, so delete all of those rows and delete the blank. We click OK. In our original sample now, we have the hip variable for the football concuss and football no concuss groups that you can use to conduct your randomization test. Now I'll show you how you can also do this if you were to open the data set up in Excel. So I'll go back to the data sets. This time I'll open the Excel data set, and the procedure is going to be exactly the same. I'll copy the first two columns, and then in StatKey I will edit data, delete everything that's there, paste in my data, delete the control group, delete the blank, and it should run. If you're still having problems with this, please, if you can, make a video of what you're doing, or maybe take a series of screenshots to show every step along the way so you can try to figure out what's going on.